Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm so glad you decided to click on this face. Today I am following Brad Mondo's tutorial for cutting your hair at home. This is going to be the butterfly cut with face framing. So I'm going to have to do a voiceover while I'm doing it because of the hairdryer and the bathroom fan, etc. So let's get this haircut and follow along. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm seeing the bulk of my hair here, and then we're going to go and wash and condition, and after you've done that, get a comb or a brush and comb your hair. Next we find the apex. Put a comb on top of your head and you'll find the apex, and that is the highest part of your head. From here, this is where you're going to do your parting. So comb right through to there, pull that part all the way forward, and then put that into a ponytail, and that is going to be your first butterfly ponytail. Now make sure that it's combed through really well, and make sure you've got some elastic bands as well, and you're going to tie the front one like a unicorn, but it's going to be fixed to literally in between your eyebrows. Do it nice and tightly. There we go. Right, now in case your hair's got a bit dry, you could put a little bit of water and conditioner on the back of your hair back there. And again, we're gonna get this done to the highest part that you can, where the parting's been made going across your head. Do this second butterfly ponytail to the highest point. Tie it up nice and securely. There we go. Now get your comb or brush and just rebrush the ends. This is going to be the first place that we cut. Now I'm purposely doing 2 inches. I have a measuring tape just to show you my 2 inches. Get some sharp hair scissors. There we go. Mustn't forget that last little bit. And then you remove the same amount from the second bit. So pull it forward and cutting 2 inches off there too. This is to help with the layering aspect. There we go. Right, now let's pull this all out. Give it a good zhuzh. Right, brush it all through. So you've removed length, you've removed some split ends, and I'm guessing you've added layers. Now for the face framing. Okay, so get your comb and make a parting down the middle. And then your fringe or your bangs coming forward. So what we do here is you approximately work out 2 inches from the front bit to the back bit just there. And that is going to be your fringe bangs. We are not cutting this short. This is just to help with the face framing. So you're going to pull that a bit forward. And then now we separate it to like a left and to a right. I've put it half and half. I'm going to comb it right across my face to the opposite side of my chin. I'm going to use my chin edge just there as an alignment, and this is where I'm going to cut. and do exactly the same on the other side. Now, comb it all through again, and here you'll be able to see if it all lines up nicely. Now, if you look at your face and you think that it needs a little bit of a tidy up, just to make it a bit more level, here you can just do it however you see fit. Now I'm going to rewash my hair and style it. Now I'm going to start to diffuse my hair. Back in 2 minutes. The items I use to style my hair will be listed down below. There we have it. I feel it looks a lot more lightweight and airy, not as bulky. Still got the length at the back. Yep, I'm quite happy with that actually.